Switching from iPhone to Samsung? Worrying about your old iPhone data? Afraid of complicated and time-consuming operations? Ever installed different applications for different types of data transfer? iMyFone iTransor Pro offers a one-stop solution to transfer 18 types of data from iPhone to Samsung, breaking the barrier between iOS and Android. Multiple data types can be migrated from iPhone to Samsung at once with iMyFone iTransor Pro. Data you cannot afford to lose. Data that enriches your life. Data that can keep you on track. And even data you might forget. All will be successfully transferred within this app. You can even use it to backup, restore, transfer, and export your WhatsApp data across different platforms. For all these 18 types of data, you can choose 1, 2, 3, or more to transfer as you like. The whole process is transparent. You can check what and how much data you've transferred. You can even stop and restart whenever you want. Most importantly, the transfer will not be affected or interrupted by common network connection problems. All the devices are connected by USB cables, which guarantees you a safe and stable transfer. iTransor Pro promises you a high-speed data transfer from iPhone to Samsung with the advanced technology of data management and a professional product development team. The data will be the same on both devices after the transfer and no damage will ever occur. What? Can't wait to try iMyFone iTransor Pro? Download it from the official website right now. The whole process contains only 3 steps. Connect your devices to a computer, choose the data you need to transfer, and the data transfer will be completed automatically. Get it now!